Hello everyone, welcome back to the Weekend Off-Roading. Today we're going to talk about this beer keg that I got specifically for camping, so I don't bring any cans with me and create more mess. So this is what you call the uKeg, and this has 128 ounces, which is equivalent to 10 beers, and it's within this size. So what it is special is that it can actually have CO2 in it, or a CO2 cartridge within this cap here. And then you can control the amount of CO2 with this dial. So right now, since I'm drinking some light beer, I have it on a pretty low CO2 setting, but depending on what beer you have, you can change it to, there's a symbol there if you can see that, and a 2 there if you can see that. You can turn this dial to change the amount of CO2 within that beer. So again, I got this specifically for camping. So that I don't produce, can waste, and I don't drink that much beer, so 10 is perfect for myself and for sharing. And then from there, I will show you how it pours. So to pour, you just put this handle forward, but before that, you can actually put this down to lock it. So if you put this in the cooler, it won't accidentally pour, and then you can just flip it back when you're ready. And then to pour, you just put it down, and then fresh beer will be dispensed. It's going to be, for me right now, it's going to be a little bit foamy because I just got back, or I just drove into camp, so it's going to be foamy. But as soon as you let more pressure in or pressure out, it will become very tasty and very delicious. And I'll show you my little mod that I made for this as well. So I made a beer koozie for this keg to keep the beer even colder when I leave it outside. This is double insulated anyways. But I do want to keep it even colder for longer. And I'll show you how this mechanism works as well, because there is, again, a CO2 cartridge and then that dial. And then you know how you pour the beer and then plug in the CO2 cartridge so the beer is kept fresh for much longer. But here, I'll show you what this looks like. This is, again, my koozie that I made. So you just put the beer in here. And then I made a little opening for the spout. And then I have a little cap on it as well, just to keep it a little bit colder for longer when I leave it outside. And then if I'm not pouring, I can just like twist this over, and then that will be kept cool. But again, a little project for myself. But the product here is again called a uKeg. They have a 64 ounce and 128. This is the 128 keg, and again, I got this for camping specifically, so I don't bring any beer cans with me, and I can just leave no trace and just bring my beer keg with me. With that being said, let me know what your thoughts are. Like, subscribe this video, comment, let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.